Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know so many of you are new to my channel, so let me introduce myself. This is Anamika and I make videos on makeup, skincare, and I do some reviews. And in today's video we are going to review a product which is this Minimalist Niacinamide. It's niacinamide 5% and HA 1%. I'm going to review this product in today's video. So let's begin with the review of the product. So let's begin. I was going to review this product, Minimalist Niacinamide 5% plus HA 1%. So let me read what it says. It says that directions for use is use AM and PM, apply 2-3 drops after cleansing and toning. Let the serum absorb fully into the skin before moving on to the next step of your routine. Ingredients are aloe vera juice and then niacinamide, which is the best part of the serum, that ingredients में second number पे niacinamide लिखा हुआ है. It means इसमें niacinamide की quantity सही में अच्छे amount में है. Ordinary के जो आपके एसिड्स होते हैं, ऑर्डिनरी के जो सीरम्स होते हैं, उसके भी नाइसिनामाइड 3rd या 4th नंबर पे लिखा होता है. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस सीरम. पहला ओके, एंड द एमआरपी ऑफ दिस इज 599. सेकेंड बेस्ट पार्ट, सस्ता भी है. सो यस, it says no fragrance, no silicone, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes and no sulfates, which I felt like a really good serum and an acid could have. No fragrance, no silicones, no dyes, no essential oils, because some people are prone to essential oils. उनकी skin पे बहुत जल्दी असर दिखाते हैं essential oils. So that's a really great deal कि इसमें essential oil नहीं है. Third best part. Okay, so now it says that it hydrates, repairs and soothes the skin. Okay, let me tell you. I am an oily skin type person, and what I felt was कि it really hydrates. It has really improved the texture of my skin. You know, my skin felt so clear. So you know, like जैसे कोई cleansing जब करते हैं ना अपने कोई भी स्किन केयर रूटीन को जब हम फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, तो once we cleanse, I felt so clean and so clear skin. I really found the difference in 2 weeks after using it regularly. I also, let me tell you that I skipped so many days in between, that I could not say that I have used it regularly. बिना इसे regular use किए भी I saw the difference. So if you are a person who could follow a proper skincare routine with this, then आप बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लेस्ड हो, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु कुड फॉलो अ स्किन केयर रूटीन. मतलब डेली जाके मुंह धुलना, फिर वो एसिड एंड देन दैट, आई एम रियली लेजी. सो आई फॉलोड द रूटीन फॉर लाइक, I followed the routine for like 1 month, in which I almost skipped in the days in between. But उसके बाद भी I saw a difference on my skin. And also why I ordered niacinamide 5% and not niacinamide 10%, because I wanted to try, you know, with the less concentration first, and if I feel the difference in this, so I would definitely see how niacinamide 10% works on my skin. So next purchase is going to be the niacinamide 10%. So yes, this product really worked great for me. Besides keeping that they use the ordinary packaging and whatever, I really loved this product, and I would recommend this product if you are an oily skin and if you are a person जो अपनी skin का texture improve करना चाहता है, and you know, so I would highly recommend this product, and I would give this product a 10 on 10. But the last best part of this serum is that this is made in India. Yes, आप made in India के product use करो यार, why not? So yes, I would highly recommend this product, because this product has shown so much difference in my skin, and I would really recommend you this one. So this product is a thumbs up from my side. So that's it for my today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and do share your valuable thoughts on this serum. If you have used this earlier or you are using this right now, I would really love to see your feedback over here. And thank you so much for showing so much love on my videos. You know, it was really overwhelming. So thank you so much for everything. Bye bye, see you till next video.